Hey, welcome to the newest video by Ace Home Screen Setup. In this video, I'm going to talk about how to create iOS style custom home screen setup, plus how to win this awesome KWGT widget by KWGT Pro. So let's get started. So if you want to create an awesome iOS style home screen setup, then this widget is a must have for your home screen setup. This is the iOS widget for KWGT by KWGT Pro. The link is in the description, so you can check it out from the description right now, and if you're convinced enough, you can purchase it right now, or you can wait for our giveaway results. So before I reveal how you can participate in this giveaway, let me tell you about our newly launched membership plans. All you have to do is check out the description link for entire details about our newest membership, where you can join us on our Prime and Prime Plus membership literally for free. So make sure you check it out from the link in the description. Now let's talk about how to participate in this giveaway. All you need to do is just subscribe this channel and hit the bell icon, like this video and write a comment whether you like Android kind of setups or iOS kind of setups. The more convincing you are, the more chances you will have to win this. There are 5 codes to give away, so in 48 hours I will declare the winner in the comment and you have to DM me for the codes. Now let me create the setup for you. If you have any questions regarding this setup or any other videos on our channel, you can ask me in the comment section below and I will try to reply as soon as possible. So I hope you have enjoyed this video. If you do, make sure you like this video and share this video with your friends and family. For more giveaways and tutorial videos, make sure you subscribe this channel and check out the on-screen video for tutorial resources and more giveaway videos. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.